On the 11th day of his fast on Friday, Anna Hazare wrote to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh stating that he would end his fast if the Parliament agrees to his three key demands. The agitation, however, will continue till the bill is passed. Anna demanded that inclusion of lower bureaucracy in Lokpal, setting up of Lok Ayuktas in all states and bringing out Citizens' Charter for public services be included in all new bill after discussion. Meanwhile, support for Anna continued to surge in Goa with political parties, social activists and students taking to the streets to back the activists. 4 different versions of Lokpal bill were tabled for discussion in the Parliament on Friday: the government's Lokpal bill, Team Anna's Jan Lokpal bill, the bill prepared by Aruna Roy and by late Jai Prakash Narayan. As the bill will be debated in Parliament on Saturday, pro-Anna sentiments continue to surge across India, including Goa. The Bharatiya Janata Party Goa unit has launched its statewide campaign against corruption for Mormugao Taluka to expose the corrupt leaders in the state whose black money is allegedly being stashed in foreign banks. Eliminate corruption and save democracy is the BJP's motto that has also extended its full support to the campaign India Against Corruption. Several BJP leaders spoke on the occasion.
मायन्स खाते जे मातयेचे खाते आसा जेका गोंयच्या दृष्टीन 12 वर्सां पयलीं कांय किंमत नासली ते खाते कायम आपल्याकडे दवरून हे गोंय बेकायदेशीररित्या पोखरपाचे दुष्कृत्य जर कोणे केल्ले आसात जाल्यार ते दिगंबर कामतीन केल्ले आसा.
पण म्हाका गजाल एक खबर आसा की दर म्हयन्याक गोंयांत जवळजवळ 2-2.5 लाख केरोसीन 10 रुपयाचे केरोसीन 30 रुपयाच्या रेटीन ब्लॅक मार्केटान वता.
A dharna backing Anna Hazare was organized by members of Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Party at Azad Maidan on Tuesday. Priol MLA Deepak Gavlikar declared full support of the party to the Anna-led agitation and used the platform to clarify his stand on action taken against the journalists on Thursday.
पूण म्हाका खबर ना पोलीस कंप्लेन जाली कितें आनी 10 मिनटात ते पोलीस कशे आयले हांव मुद्दाम सांगूंक सोदता. एक कोणी चूक करूंक शकता कारण अण्णा हजारे रामलीला मैदानाचेर जो पर्यंत तांकां परवानगी दिवना तो पर्यंत ते गेले ना. हांगा कोणाकडे चूक जाल्या काय गैरसमज जाल्या ते म्हाका खबर ना.
Students from the Heritage Institute of Hotel Management Vasco campus staged a strong protest rally in the streets of Vasco on Thursday evening, joining hands with the youth campaign against corruption.
आज हम लोग मेरे दोस्त सब इकट्ठा हुए अन्ना हजारे को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. जैसे कि हम लाइव टेलीकास्ट देख रहे हैं, अन्ना हजारे जी भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ 10 दिन से अनशन पे बैठे हैं, तो हमारा भी फर्ज बनता है कि हम यहाँ से उनका सपोर्ट करें.
Member of Goa unit of India Against Corruption have started a chain hunger strike in support of Anna Hazare in Azad Maidan from Thursday. The first group was replaced by fresh members on Friday to continue the chain hunger strike that will go on till Anna ends his fast.
Corruption has reached at the very root of this society, and that is the reason why we speak against corruption, that it has to go and there must be justice for everybody, equality for everybody. Only then this country will prosper.
We started this 24-hour chain fast yesterday at 3 p.m. I'm here all day, all night until 3 o'clock this afternoon.
High levels of corruption, I call it 5G. G stands for Goa. The first G is the illegal mining scam. Second G is the selling of job scam. Third G is the manipulation of tender scam. Fourth G is hafta scam. And last G is land grab scam.
We would like to declare our support to anti-corruption. We students are hungry for anti-corruption. Jan Lokpal Bill Zindabad.
Meanwhile, the residents of Headland Sada, where mostly people had organized a similar rally to mark their full support to the campaign launched by the activists of India Against Corruption.